Hello guys, we're back again, and well, the drinks that we're gonna make today is this is called a we call this a banaba. Actually, banaba tree. There's a lot of name. This growing in Southeast Asia, most probably like India, Philippines, and Indonesia, Thailand, but South Asia, you know. And this is the flower of the banaba tree actually, and they call also a CRAPE MYRTLE. So and this is the flower. This flower is never not yet bloom actually, so this may be another 5 days or 3 days, so it will bloom. But this is like big tree, so you can brew this the leaves, and you can dry it also, and make it like a tea. Actually, it's like 30 minutes for boiling in high heat. So this is the banaba tree or CRAPE MYRTLE tree. So this one I brew already. This is like about 30 minutes, so I put in this container, and then I got the syrup, and then, well, this is not a regular syrup again. This is like the calamansi, and then the honey, and then lemon, so as a garnish. So I got this again, the cotton candy or the manzanitas infused. This is the white rum, and then look at this now. It's like 2 months, you know. So it's really good. Smells good also. And there's a lot of health benefits also, and this one too. There's a lot of health benefits, like lowering the diabetic. If you're diabetic, the banaba actually tea, and then if you have like cholesterol, and there's a lot of health benefits. You can check out anyway. You can Google it and you can check out. The same as the cotton candy, and then this one also. You remember this, right, from my previous video? So this is the jackfruit, you know, the same as the manzanitas. So I just, but this from the gold rum actually. So, and then I got some tequila, and then triple sec. So I call this drink actually a MYRTLE CRAPE MYRTLE tea. So, but this alcoholic version. So just anyway, even this is alcoholic, but still, I think there's still lots of health benefits, because this the cotton candy also. But that's what I'm saying, is like if you drink alcohol, whenever you drink, don't drink, you know, it's like excessive, you know, alcohol in your, because your body has a limit also. So just drink moderately, and then everything is good. So let me get some ice. By the way, this drink is gonna be shaken. So like really frosty ice. I want some clear ice, but our fridge actually, this from the fridge only. So I can buy some outside, but still not really clear. Jigger of the white rum manzanitas infused. And then the gold rum, and then jackfruit infused. A jigger. And then the tequila, about 20 ml. So about 20 of the triple sec also. And then there's the honey and calamansi. About jigger and a half. So here we go. That's the Jigger, and have to give a sweetness of the drinks, because this like unsweetened. I boiled this unsweetened actually, so that's good. Shake it. And that's it. Ice in the glass. About a scoop of ice. Right, then you have to top with the Banaba tea or the CRAPE MYRTLE tree. So top it. So there's lots of health beneficial with this. So if you want, check this out. Have a drinks. Don't drink too much with alcohol, but you can drink lots of this without alcohol, and you got lots of health benefits. One of our family actually that he has like diabetic, is like he almost got like insulin every day, and what happened actually, he done his research about this Banaba tree. His name is Felicimo Miot actually. So now he's back for good, and he's not a diabetic anymore, and he just keep drinking this, boiling every day, and this is what he drank, and now he's fine. Garnish. So this is the lemon. And then the Banaba flower, or the CRAPE MYRTLE flower. You guys, like right now, you guys really intrigued with all the drinks, because most of the drinks, like, it's all health beneficial. So well, I've been done this work for many years, and I done with those drinks like martini. Any martini, just let me know. I'll do it. And any drinks, with no words, man. Any. There we go. So this is your CRAPE MYRTLE tea. It's alcoholic version anyway. So enjoy. Before we end up our session tonight, please again don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button, so you guys get updated all the time. And if you like the video, please subscribe, and then share my Facebook page, the Naked Mixology, and then I got the Instagram also. Please thank you so much, guys. Have a happy weekend. All right.